Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, this is in 4K at 60 frames per second on the Oppo Find N2. Yes, I'm gonna do a camera test. I'm gonna walk around and just give y'all some video samples and photos on this device. I've been using it for a little bit and I am really enjoying it. The cameras on this one are a lot better than what the N1 was. So they improved the cameras. You can see in the video quality here. Again, how does that sound? How does everything look? Yes, I'm at the empty mall. The sun is bright in Texas. Let's zoom in. Check out baby girl. I can go all the way up to 10 times zoom. Not too bad. We'll come back out. But I've been enjoying the phone so far. It's definitely, like I said, setting it up is a little bit different. Getting notifications to come out are a little bit different. But it is a big difference with Android 13 on this device from the N1 too. But the cameras are very impressive. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But I'm gonna do 4K at 30. I mean 4K at 60, 4K at 30. 1080p at 60 and 30, and then front facing video too, and some photos. But what y'all think about the colors? Everything looks pretty good by what I'm seeing in the viewfinder. The sun is bright though. It is casting a shadow on everything. But look at that red. It needs to be repainted again, but who knows what they're gonna do with this mall. Look at my shadow there. But I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30, so that way we can see, you know, what the cameras can do at 4K at 30. How's the stabilization? I'm just holding the camera, walking around. Look at that blue. Yes, the blue is faded. So hopefully the camera comes out faded like that too. Baby girl, look at that front end. Y'all name a better front end than that. Come on now. But stay tuned to 4K at 30, and to them, peace, y'all. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Oppo Find N2. What y'all thought about the 4K at 60? How's the stabilization? Yes, I'm out of college right now. Let's go zoom in, I mean. All the way up to 20 times zoom. It's a little shaky. Go back out. But what y'all think about the video so far? I can do ultra wide too. Go back in. The zoom is pretty smooth. So I'm back at 1 time zoom. But I'm just walking around the college campus. Decided to switch it up some. How's the wind? It did pick up today, but it's a beautiful day in Texas though. Beautiful day. It's what, New Year's Eve, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to edit all this video together, but this is what you get with the Oppo Find N. Look at the colors. Look, like I said, I'm just holding the phone walking. But the colors look really good. But I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60. So like I said, we just want to test out the cameras. I'll be right back. Peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second on the Oppo Find N2. Again, I'm just walking around. How's the stabilization? How's the mics with the wind? Just how's everything? Do you think you can actually use these cameras? I can tell y'all one thing right now. If you had the Oppo Find N1 and you know that these cameras are already better. Like, I don't think anyone would say or disagree with you now. Are they as good as other flagships? I don't know. I still want to test them out against the Z Fold 4 just to see how good they really are. Not saying the Z Fold 4 has the best cameras though. you know, because everybody complained about those cameras too, but it's a good comparison because you're either going to pick up this phone or the Z Fold 4. It says slippery when wet, but as you can tell, it's a dry creek. There's nothing there. It is, like I said, it's hot and dry in Texas, y'all. Hot and dry. But we kind of used to it. It was a little cold before though. But it's like 70 degrees right now in the middle of December. Or beginning of January almost. But that's what we used to though. At least it's not like Buffalo and some. But yeah, I'm enjoying the phone so far. I do like how I have it set up. I do like this form factor. Hopefully the Pixel Fold is something like this too. But I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30, and then to then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames on the Oppo Find N. Look at baby girl right there. Let's zoom in. Looks like, I don't know, the color of the car, the sun is messing with it. Let's go back out, look, wide angle. Not looking too bad. I do like how I zoom in and out, which is pretty good. But what y'all thought about all the videos so far? What y'all thought about some of the photos? What y'all think about these cameras? I think big improvement from the Find N1. I'm really enjoying this phone and the cameras. But stay tuned. I'm gonna have more videos coming out of this phone. Just trying to give everybody what they want to see. Again, I like the form factor on this phone a lot. I think it's where a lot of foldable phones should go. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Stay tuned for the front facing video, and then also some photos and nighttime video and photos too. And to them, peace. I'm out. Alright, so this is the front facing video on the Oppo Find N. This is 1080p at 30. Again, what y'all think about it? How do I look? How do I sound? Go Big Blue. I'm filming this before the playoff game, so I guess we will find out later on if they won or not. They do play TCU, so that's a tough thing. Now, I wish the cameras on here would do 4K, at least 4K at 30, but it doesn't. 1080p is what you get. It's not bad. I'm gonna spin around, see what y'all get through these. Let's go off. I'm gonna stay on the road. I was gonna go off-roading, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does it look? Again, how do I sound? How is this camera's doing? But I can tell the big improvement on it. But I'm gonna come back with the nighttime video and photos, but into them, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime video on the Oppo Find 2. This is in 4K at 60 frames per second. How does everything look? How does I sound? Man, these cameras have been good. What y'all thought about the daytime video and photos? Man, I like what Oppo did with the Find N2. I think it's a big improvement from the Find, N itself, the original one. I think the cameras are a lot better on this phone. But I'd love to see what y'all think about it. Yes, that is Big Lots. Look, they built a Planet Fitness. People work out till 11 o'clock at night. That's crazy. So how far can I zoom in? I'm at 9.5 zoom. 9 okay. I can see if they're working out or not. Messing around. Go back out. I can even do ultra wide, which is pretty good. But what y'all think about it? I'm gonna come back with some photos and then also a front facing video. But this is just a little parking lot. Do y'all even shoot video at nighttime? I don't know. If I don't do the nighttime video and photos, I get comments saying, hey, you didn't try out the low lights and nighttime stuff. I don't really shoot video at nighttime, but I do it for YouTube though. Sometimes you gotta make the sacrifices. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and then the photos too. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is the 1080p on the front camera. It's 1080p at 30. No, you cannot do 4K. This is the outside display camera. So what y'all think about it? How did I look? Shout out to Michigan. Hopefully they win this weekend. Look at baby girl. But what y'all thought about this whole video? How are the cameras on this phone? What do y'all think? I know it's a big improvement from the Find N, because that was one of the weak points. The cameras are okay, but these cameras seem like they do a lot better job. I'm gonna definitely have to go and put it onto the computer, take a look at it. No, I do not edit or touch up any of the videos on my computer. What y'all see on my videos is what you get from the phone. I don't do any extra post stuff in Adobe Premiere. I put it in there and I upload it to YouTube. I don't have time or even know how to change any of that anyway. So what you get off the cameras is what you get on YouTube. So what y'all think? What y'all thought about this whole video? Do y'all like these type of videos? Stay tuned. I will have a comparison coming soon with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 on the cameras, and we'll see which one did a better job there. But y'all let me know if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Oppo Find N2. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forge Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.